Hey, how you doing? Sometimes these videos are quite easy to make. Sometimes, at the moment, they seem to be really hard to make. It's hard to, what am I going to do? Is it enough? Is it what people want? There's so many questions. But this is an easy one. There's somebody I know, and he's got this. He's given me this, and if you look at it, those of you who know what it is. It's got number 45 written there. It's a Stanley 45. Somebody has seriously attacked it, because you see this bit here? That's not supposed to be cut out like that. This is supposed to go all the way along here and then back up to there. This is sometimes referred to as the skate. And he said parts. So thank you, Robert. Great. Parts. And I looked at it and I thought, well, there's screws, there's this adjuster. I'm not sure mine's got this adjuster. I have a Stanley. Let's have a look. I have a Stanley 45 in there. So let's move these out the way and let's get in there. There you go. One Stanley combination plough plane. Here it is. Number 45. Right. And I had to make this lid a while ago because the lid was not very good. But let me show you in there. I didn't think, because we all sort of know what we've got, and I didn't think I'd got the long bars, and I have got the long bars. So is mine? Well, this is a good thing to do, because what I can actually do is show you. Put all the parts in here. There's one of the beautiful fences with rosewood on. And look, this double height thing going on for the bars. But look how carefully the screw goes into there, so that it just touches the bottom of that one or the top of that one. It's clever stuff. Beautifully polished rosewood, beautifully polished. And there's a blade sticking out there, so let's get that out. This is one of the little things that stops you, and you put it on there, and that's a rest. That goes onto one of the bars and rests on the work to save you, to help you holding it square. What else have we got? Blades. Short bars, there you go. I thought I'd only got the short bars, but it looks like I've got the short and the long. And that's what I was thinking I could. Yep, exactly the same bars. So I thought it'd be useful for bars. Let's just get mine out and have a look at what it should look like. So that's what it should look like, with all these screws and bits and fittings. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. Have I ever used it? No. Maybe I have for something, but I don't know. Nothing I can remember. So look, you can see this front skate here, and look what they've done there. But the spare bits and pieces, that little, and oh, mine's an early one. So yeah, look, there's the Stanley early mark. So this is, and there's the Stanley Sweetheart. So it's not a Stanley Sweet. So that's the later one. So we could almost look at these and see if they'd spotted any changes between the two. I can't see anything. But screws are the same screws. The depth there is the same as the depth there. And that funny little fitting there, look at that. Look how that slots into there. And then, and the other side. And it was in the bin. So there isn't anything I can use from it at the moment, but who knows when, who knows what. So I'll just dismantle it a bit, take it apart, tape it all, we'll put some string around it, put it in my spares box, and you never know, somebody might. Or if you need any spare parts, let me know if there's something here that's useful to you. And yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it, to complete something for somebody. If you're missing a bit that's here, message me, put it in the comments. I've just spotted this, and it's worth mentioning that one of the blades wasn't in there, and the reason it wasn't in there is because they don't all fit in the box. And what I've found is, where is it? All the straight ones don't fit in the box. So I've got to take one out. And if I move one out, and then I put one back in, and then I take that one out to put the bigger one in. Oh, it might be that. It might be that one, so those fit. So sometimes Stanley planes, one of them came in the tool, it came with it fitted already in. Whether it was to try it out, I don't know. But now look, all of those are in there, all of the straights are in there, and I've got one left over, which could fit in here. It could fit in there, or it could be in the plane. And then I remember that it's got the paper here telling you which plane blades are which. So actually I could look down these and make sure the right ones are in there. It's a shame that bit's missing there. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, my blade missing. But what about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's the 11th. But all 11 don't fit in the box. All 11 don't fit in the box. So is that the one that fit in the plane? But I'm one missing. And I'm missing the small one, I think. I think I'm missing the 8th. I need to work that out, don't I? See which one's missing. Oh, gain a plane, find I'm missing a part. Hey ho. If you want to support me, buy me a coffee is my preferred method of you supporting me. They take the smallest percentage. It just makes more sense to me. It should make more sense to you. Thanks for watching.